Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino, company from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking metals, talk about copper future, which resumed its downtrend, down over 1% today. The 4-day recovery we saw from the prior total of 6 days is now finished with 2 down days. Looked like copper might have been showing some signs of life, possibly on some renewed optimism for the global economy, getting kind of back in its groove. But that's now ended with a pretty significant down day. That 1% move is the biggest down in quite a while, even the consistent downtrend. Just been kind of a 0.5%, 0.75%, 0.5%. So this 1% lower matters quite a bit. We got up to about 268 today and then finished closer to 266.4. The dollar is up today. That also moved higher after briefly falling below 95 on the dollar index. Did not settle below 95 and resumed back up. And up move today was about 50 basis points, mostly on the perceived hawkishness of the Fed in their FOMC minutes. That was quite a time ago, those minutes, and we do have the Jackson Hole Symposium starting basically in terms of news releases today and tomorrow. We haven't seen much out of there yet, but the FOMC minutes still kind of weighing over the entire market and boosting up the dollar, which again, inverse relationship to most base metals being one of the biggest in terms of the consistency of that inverse relationship. So dollar up, copper lower. And then the U.S.-China low-level talks continue. We are expecting only a joint statement. That's all we're expecting from these particular talks, and that statement is due in the next couple of days. So not necessarily looking for anything positive out of there. However, if there was an overly positive statement, you could see copper turn back around on this idea that China was going to get a little bit of relief. China's data has been a little bit weak on the economic side lately. The trade wars certainly don't help. So if we get some positive news out of those talks, you could see a reversal in copper, but no one is expecting that. You're only expected to see a joint statement that says they made progress and there could be more talks coming. That would not be enough to stop this recent copper downtrend. This is Bob Iaccino talking base metals, specifically copper, from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.